November 2 Bravo Whiskey on course to the northwest is approved. Runway 17 right at Charlie. Clear for takeoff. Wind 160 at 6, gust 22.
Okay, clear for takeoff. 17 right at Charlie. 172 Bravo Whiskey. VFR to the northwest.
Okay, I got my strobes on, my landing lights on. And we are rolling at 57. Rotate.
Wind check 17016.
The winds are only 6 knots on the surface, or 27 knots up here. That's a little insane. Still 25 knots in the face up here. We're really having to drive it in. Oh, nice touchdown though. Alright, flaps are up. Can that nose wheel like this a little bit? There's my rotate speed.
Easterwood Tower 172 Bravo Whiskey, like to stay in the pattern for some touch and goes.
Say again, sir?
172 Bravo Whiskey, like to stay with you in the pattern for a few touch and goes.
Main continuous right traffic, runway 17.
Okay, continuous right traffic, runway 17, 172 Bravo Whiskey.
It's a little...
Bravo Whiskey, clear touch and go, runway 17, 17016.
Clear touch and go, runway 17, 172 Bravo Whiskey.
My ground speed is 55, 50. We're showing high on the pappies, but I bet you it drops off pretty quickly. Yep, there we go, on glide path. Flaps tracking up. Airspeed, throttle. There's rotate.
Bravo Whiskey, clear touch and go, runway 17, wind 17015.
Clear touch and go, runway 17, 172 Bravo Whiskey.
The big question is, am I having fun? And the answer is yes. Flaps tracking up. Rotate. Airborne. Almost at pattern altitude by the end of the runway. It's awesome.
North 2 Bravo Whiskey, clear touch and go, runway 17.
Okay, 172 Bravo Whiskey, clear touch and go, runway 17. This will be our last one before we depart.
2 Bravo Whiskey, roger. What's your direction of flight?
I'm going to be going back to the southeast.
Bravo Whiskey, left turn out approved.
Left turn up, 172 Bravo Whiskey.
Ooh, doggy. I'm in a lot higher this time. We'll slip. Slipping right down about 50 feet. Come on, baby. Oh, yeah. Flaps tracking up. Rotate. miles to Conroe.
2 Bravo Whiskey, squawk 1200, good flight.
All right, squawk and VFR, and so long. Have a good night. Thanks for the help.